We just got a DJI action camera and I filmed how I usually do my photos when I'm walking or going outside. Usually I don't think about the picture too much, I just see the scene and press the button. I don't do 20 photos of one subject, just one or two, and that's enough. And I don't do any editing after. All images come in this color just right from the camera, and I have a video on my channel about it, how I do so. I bring my camera almost daily, so I film interesting locations, my friends, my husband, myself, and all the beauty I see around. Yeah, maybe this is not the best photos I did. It's just a day of my life, a few moments, and later I could delete half of pictures and left only my favorite ones. And I try to have fun of photography, try not to overthink, not to overjudge myself. I do it for myself first, because I like it, and when I feel I'm ready for sharing with other people, I could do it. In a year, these photos will remind me of my feelings, of my thoughts, about current situation in my life, without any words. That's why I love to document in my life and everything around me.